Good thing you made that little spillway, I guess, because that's where it's headed. Holy cow. Apparently that's where it's supposed to go. My word. Well, I can see the water's washing off. Going down the road. Holy cow. The water like pushed all the debris down to the gate. Dude, that is crazy amount of water. And there's a creek. Yeah, this is the creek at the stop sign. Okay, so this road is completely flooded right here. That's why I want to snorkel. And I'm not sure. Oh, it's plugged up on that side. Oh boy, there's a lot of water going. Holy cow. So yeah, I'm driving through this right now. This is why I think I need a snorkel. It's not too deep, but it's pretty freaking deep. Oh, no. Hold on, Mika. Okay. Yeah. So this is a weird neighborhood place, and I got directions to come out here. It's like a nice house with a clean yard, like normal people. I passed some doozies though. I'm gonna record them on my way back. It's a big lot with a trailer. Everything's overgrown. It's not cleaned up. It's not a bad looking house. A lot of this water is covering the road. It's a big rain. Alright, trailer. Beautiful brick house there. Oh, see, like that's really pretty. Just found that thing. It's like a big water tower situation. There's two of them. House. Not too bad. Oh, that's pretty. So I have my GPS on my screen I'm following. This guy. There's a car. Alright. These aren't bad houses. That's really very pretty. I don't know what that storage shed place is, but my GPS says to keep going. Structure. Alright, turning left at this stop sign here. So that's the second school bus that I noticed at a house. I'm wondering if the bus drivers take their school buses home and park them. These are big houses. That's very pretty. So this is my destination. There's a fat little squirrel. There's a pretty house right there, all lit up. It's pretty. I don't know, where's my destination? Is it that barn? My GPS says I have arrived. There's a race car. Dude, I don't want to get shot. Okay. Somebody's house, dude. Is this? Oh, There's a little camper. Must be that little thing with all those windows. Whoa, this guy's fancy. Okay. Well, I don't know if that's $2,000 worth of fun. I don't know if I should get out or not and check it out. Oh, here we go. I'm looking at the house. There's a race for cure. I don't know. I'm thinking if I'm annoying, maybe they'll come out. So it's cool, it's got windows. That's the spot where you'd put an AC and a counter and a shelf. You could put a couch and a bed. It's like it had a range for a stove or something. It's tall, which is cool. It's got clearance. Some crazy looking tires. This looks like some kind of water hookup thing right here. There's no lights. There's the air conditioner. Dude, it's super tall. Really, really tall. I mean, yeah. This is a nice trailer park. Doing a lot of work here. No lights. I'd have to get the magnet light things to put on it. I don't know what all these hooks are for. Big window. It's just a generic little hookup. Some kind of plug of some kind. So I'm gonna come up here and film stuff that I was, this is some good deep water. Float over. Yeah, right on over, see? Oh shit. Anyway, there's this, house that I want to film that I passed up here. So I'm going back the way I came. Oh man, look at this, is deep water. This out. There's another school bus in somebody's yard. There's another church. That is a lot of freaking water. Dude. That's so crazy, that little creek. Yeah, that's nuts. This is coming up the road right here and going underneath me. That spot coming out from underneath the road and coming out. Look at that, just pouring, puddling. There's that culvert, which is great. And this side, I don't know what it's doing, but all those leaves got backed up there. So I came into the barn. I'm going to clean up this front area. And look at all the water that does come in here. So I put everything on a pallets yesterday to make sure it was all not going to be yucky. So that's good. Yeah. But I don't think I'm going to mess with all this. I think I'm going to call it a fabulous day. Let it be. What you got? What are you doing? She's getting all crazy and growling. What is it? What you got? Big stick, grape stick. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You take it from me. I want to get that stick. Hey, you doing? Oh my goodness. That's a big stick. That's a big stick. She like a stick. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What you got? You got stickers? You got stickers in your feet. You got that big stick. Silly girl.